Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are interested in achieving this look, then make sure that you continue to watch and do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Okay, so let's jump right into it. So I had already applied the NYX base onto my eyelids, and now we're just going in with the James Charles palette again in that orange color. You guys know me, I like to do a build up just to make sure those colors are very pigmented and bright so you can see them. And we're just gonna do a nice little build up on this. So I'll let you guys continue to watch. Alright guys, so now we're going in with this purple color. Again, we're just going to do a build up, so you're going to see me dip into the color a lot just to get it to be pigmented in the way that I like it. So now we are going in and we're just going to start applying our color. So I'm starting out with this kind of light blue color. I'm going to add that to the lid, and then the pictures that I post should help you understand where I'm going from there with the colors. If you have any questions, definitely feel free to comment and I will try to answer all of your questions. So I started out with the green that is in the James Charles palette, but I felt it was not bright enough. So I decided to use these neon pigments. I usually pick them up here in Dallas. They are only $1. They're loose pigments and they work wonders. So I decided to pick it up and was like, hey, I'm just going to try it and put it on the lid. So that's what you guys see me doing here. And the outcome is fabulous. Alright guys, we have finished up the eyes. You guys know I applied my lashes and my mascara as well as eyeliner off camera because it's so hard to do it in camera. I will try to get better at that. However, I have already applied the Milk and Magnesia to my face because you guys know I have extremely oily skin. So just to kind of keep down that oil, kind of control it a little bit, I did apply that. Now you guys see me going under my eyes with the orange and the LA Pro Girl concealer just to get rid of any dark spots that I have. As a matter of fact, all of the concealers and the foundation that I've been using is from LA Girl. I absolutely love the collection. Just recently started using the foundation and it is amaze balls. All right, guys, you know what time it is. It is time to set this foundation and this concealer. So that's what I'm doing. The setting powder is from Makeup Revolution, as well as the contour you guys just see me use. It's their foundation stick. But this, I usually mix the two colors. So I do a translucent, and I can't remember the name of the other color. I'll try to list it below so you guys can see that as soon as I find it. All right, guys, you know this is my favorite part, highlighting. You know I like to be highlighted to the gods, honey. This palette that I am using, I actually got this from Ross. It was like $4.99, and it comes with like 4 very pigmented colors. Absolutely love it. I just recently learned how to apply it without going overboard, because it is so pigmented that a couple strokes will get you to where you need to be, unless you're trying to be extremely dramatic. All right, guys, we have finished. We're just gonna set it with this Morphe setting spray, and that is it, my loves. If you guys like it, please give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. I appreciate you guys. Love ya. Mwah.